Another Sunday here in the Carolinas, putting this video together. We have content for, I think, 2 more? Yes, 2 more as of right now. So we're trying to get back on track. Trying, keyword. Our squirrels keep running amok, and you know that works. But anyway, I'm out here having a mug of coffee. I figured I'd kind of do an intro on this one because we kind of pumped the brakes on the last video. We're going to kind of pick up where we left off. This one here, we're going to put a rock guard on that 1-ton axle. Once again, no kits, no nothing. It's all built here, and you'll see that. Then we finally get to do some work on that Jeep. This is basically going to be the documentation of it. So, I'm going to have a coffee about it. A lot of coffee about it. Go back in, start editing, and enjoy. Alright, so there's 2 of them. These straight ones here, I gotta figure out exactly where they're gonna live and where to angle them and all that other fun stuff. So I'm gonna figure that out right quick, and I don't know, I might only put 3. I don't know. I ain't quite figured it out yet. I got 4 cut out. I don't know, I may on mine, but I probably will do as well. So I'm probably gonna cut this little bit off right here. This end which is towards the piston, just to make sure make a little more clearance. I can always do that later. So yeah, let me do a quick think on this and see what I'm gonna do. But so far, kind of liking it. Oh, that I gotta tie them together somehow. It's a quarter. I don't know. We get our guards. 3 each thick. They're 2-inch. I originally had them made, and then I realized I had to modify them. Like I probably still have to lop the ends off and whatnot, but they're made. So I think the last step is going to be a piece of strapping here, tying these 3 horns together, so to speak. I got that back on the bench now. I got to cut it up, get it welded on. All right. I got the last plate made.
I'll burn just here and here for now. Rotate the axle, get all the insides, and then we'll trim these corners down.
Yeah. Don't worry, we're using the welding blanket as an isolator. You can tell we got the soft straps on here, or whatever you want to call them, so there's no electricity pass through. It's about 2:30 in the morning. I'm going in and grabbing some like calories and a shower. But first, show y'all something. So yeah, I think I'll call that a success. Probably gonna have a little bit of clearancing to do and some minor adjustments like that, but from what I've seen, it was pretty good. And it didn't turn as fast. So the compressor only has like 30 or 40 pounds in it, so pretty sure at 150 this thing would have slammed left and right. It's a big step for this project, though. I think that does conclude the heavy fab on this project here, so thank God. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this segment up. I'm gonna show you the end result right quick. Forgot your B. So we have said axle. I did put one more reinforcement piece in here. I did that off camera because I squirreled. Yep, just add some, I guess, lateral support would be the word. But yeah, let's go through the piston in. Everything's clearance, everything fits, and then we're gonna put it back under the truck. So that being said, we're gonna move on to the second part of this, which will be the Jeep. Just a quick explanation. We basically did a spring over conversion on it, and then we pulled the body lift out. So here's that. Alright, so I think we should explain a few things here. One, the last video came out a lot later than I expected. We had a lightning strike here about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. Turns out it wiped out
It wiped a lot of stuff out.
yeah, my computer's internet ability is done.
Kaput.
So you guys are gonna be seeing this a week after the last video, but I figured to explain it because I already got the other one edited. So I've got a new computer coming, hopefully be here tomorrow. I can set all that up and start getting these things pumped out. So, you're about to see a bunch of clips of us working on that Jeep finally. So we're gonna insert a very reluctant AI here. Alright everyone, so as you see we got the spring over conversion done on the Jeep. If we just kind of time lapse through it, I mean obviously it took more than 3 minutes to do, but and that was actually filmed over 2 days. But is what it is. You get the basic gist. We're nowhere near done with it just yet. When you're playing with suspension, angles matter a lot. So we have still got to make probably make a front track bar and a rear track bar. Now why didn't we do it now? Jeep was originally a 4-cylinder. We're about to put twice the weight in the engine bay. So if we build a track bar for it now and then plop this 1,000-pound drivetrain in it, and that's all it's going to push it sideways. So we want to go ahead and get the the whole drivetrain in it first, and then worry about making track bars. So that's one of the things we got to deal with, and then some steering. We got to make sure everything goes full sweep. We may have to extend one brake line in the back, but that's not a big deal. So other than that, pretty good. Came out pretty good. Relatively straightforward. The crawler axle is welded. Yay. Piston for it's still sitting right there. Next week we have for next week's video, we have another wrecker repair. Wheel lift repair, whatever you want to call it. So y'all want to see that? Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Everyone that's stuck with us over the past year, 2.5 years, appreciate it for sure. We're hoping to get into more of that kind of work, to be honest with you. It's yeah. But that's not the point. The notification bell, give it a smack. That'd be great. And I'm gonna send this video out and start working on the next one. We'll see you.
It's across the
That one's still hot.